peeps, I'm a bit giddy today. My rear diffuser has arrived for my Mark 1 Mazda 3 MPS. As you can see, there is two, one for me, one for a friend. We're going to show you how to install this. If you want one yourself, there's a link in the description for a guy named Darren Lake. He's the one who supplied it to us. Sound bloke. They're made of aluminium, so proper sturdy. Should be a quick and easy install. But obviously I'm going to do a vid. He'll probably link you to this vid. This is probably why you're watching it right now, so you know to install the thing, because he doesn't have one, but he will have when this is finished. So let's get on with this, shall we? Thank you very much. First, I'm going to take that bolt out so we can get this out, and then undo these two nuts, ready to slip it in. Okay, peeps, quick update. You'll see this plate has 4 nuts on it. I've had to release one for the friend I had one because he had no bolts at all, so I've had to lend him one. But you take all 4 off, take the plate off, put it in position, put the blade back on, screw them in, and you're done. It does take 2 people to put it on them, and as you'll see, it fits into the bumper. And then once it's on and tightened up, start putting your fins on. Bang tidy. All the fins are on, as you can see.